Let's learn to write a greeting card, a Christmas card. Dear Neda, it's a salutation, or we say it's receiver. Who gets the card? Dear Neda is a salutation, or receiver, or who gets the card. Happy holidays and Happy New Year. This is the message or the greeting. Happy holidays and Happy New Year. It's the message or the greeting. Asim, sender, or who writes the card. Dear Neda, this is the salutation or the receiver. Happy holidays and Happy New Year. Asim, sender or who writes the card. So you can see in this Christmas card or the greeting card, there are three parts. One is the salutation or the receiver. Next part is the message. The last part is the sender or who writes the card. So, Dear Neda is the salutation or the receiver. Happy holidays and Happy New Year is the message. Asim is the person who wrote the card. Let's see another greeting card. Hello Noble. All the best for Christmas and Happy New Year. Abdu. So Noble is the receiver. Abdu is the sender or writer of the message. All the best for Christmas and Happy New Year is the message. Dear Ella, Happy Holidays and best wishes for the new year. Alpha. Hello Osman, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bushra. Dear Parvin, wish you a wonderful Christmas and a Happy New Year. Monica. Hello, Sean. I wish you peace, happiness, and blessings in the coming year. Merry Christmas. Anna. Hello, Sean. I wish you peace, happiness, and blessings in the coming year. Merry Christmas. Anna. Loving Mom. Happy holidays. Wish you a fresh and bright new year. Jason. Loving Mom. Happy holidays. Wish you a fresh and bright new year. Jason. Dear Ola, my school, admin, teachers, and classmates make my every day happy and bright. Wish you a happy new year. And happy holidays. Fitted. Dear Ola, my school, admin, teachers, and classmates make my every day happy and bright. Wish you a happy new year and happy holidays. Fitted. Hello, Christine. May the Christmas holidays and blessings warm your home with joy, fill your beautiful heart with love, and your life with happy memories. Milana. Hello, Christine. May the Christmas holidays and blessings warm your home with joy. Fill your beautiful heart with love and your life with happy memories. Milana. Dear Grace, let's end the year on a cheerful note and make the new year a successful, positive, and healthy year. Juma Khan. Dear Grace, let's end the year on a cheerful note and make the new year a successful, positive and healthy year. Juma Khan.